everybody. Sunny morning. Today, it's what day? It's Wednesday, and we are going to make some preparations because someone is going to a Matric lunch/dinner. I don't know, they say it's not a Matric dance, and there is the person at the back acting like we don't exist here in the front. Lungi, say hi. Ayo Tsungi. Aibo. Ayathunga shem. Ingoba yami phela wayenza yaba yinhle even more than lo engangikucabangile mina. Awuyathunga yena. Uyifuna exactly. Awuphendukele slowly. Ubani? Tatu vezi. We need assistance here. There's too much. My brain is tired already. That's for assistance. Number two. Ukhona umuntu owasistana? Akubuke ngathi khona. Ngani? We're looking for clip-ons earrings. Long. Are all these clip-ons? Okay, yeah. That means you have to choose from these. I like those too. What do you think? It's basically the same thing, just different shapes. You don't want the gold, like matches the but they don't have gold, so you match the bag. Which ones did you take? Oh, they have to match your thing, your neck thing. Yeah, I think that is perfect. And you don't need anything to push the hair. It'll be fun. Oh, the circle is the neck. How much glasses are Kashona Bloom? The ones we got with your glasses at school, no made home.
Yeah, I think I like this.
You can buy with that with your own money.
I don't have money.
I owe you 500 rand.
She's going to owe me 450.
Yes. That I wasn't gonna buy, so you must buy with your own money. Don't like this. Yeah, fine. Now I am. Nothing is close to that green.
You know what it is. You've been listening to sports.
So we are at the garage somewhere in Devon, Kumgeni Road, and yeah, guys, I am so exhausted. Yeah, when this thing of trying to be a good mom is not working for me. This thing of trying to be a good mom is just not working for me. The way I'm so exhausted right now, because I've walked streets, I walked it today, shop after shop, because this person wants lamategulawa and and we can't find the size, and she won't compromise and take did I not walk up and down West Street looking for the sneakers? Did I not walk up and down West Street looking for the earrings that are clippers? Because imbobo zakhe zizavaleka zamkhambuza now she says she can't go to the Matric what without Matric. Did I not walk? Did I not walk looking for a clutch now? Did I not walk now looking for something that she's gonna wear over the dress, because we can see the weather now? Hey. And then this is after I was at the salon waiting for this person doing the hair, doing the nails. which was good. But I'm just saying, sometimes this thing of trying to be a good mom, I can see why other moms are like, listen, I cannot do it. Let me just not be a good mom. Because am I not exhausted? Afterwards, you have to ask the person, do you not have anything to say to me? That's when they're like, oh, thank you, mommy. Because if you don't ask, they forget about you. But anyway, you guys, she was able to do everything that we planned to do today. She did her hair. I'm gonna show you the hair she did. She did her hair, she did her nails. I did my nails too after a very long time. I haven't done my nails in a very long time, so I was like, let me do my nails for a change. And we bought everything that she needs for tomorrow. Now we are driving to Mdletshe, where the lady is who made her dress, because we need to pick up her dress, with hopes that nothing will be wrong with the dress. Otherwise we're going to be sitting there waiting for her to fix the dress. And then we're taking her back to the school. We're going back home. In the morning we have to drive to the school. First thing in the morning when they wake up, we have to be there to help her get dressed. And I didn't know that they were going to allow us as parents to come help her to get dressed, everything. The person that will be doing the makeup will be there, and if she wants to do the makeup, and then they will go, and then we will go home. So yes, that has been a day today. But other than me just being exhausted, I'm proud of her, you guys, that we've had 18 years of pleasure. She's been such a pleasure to raise as a child. We've had the easiest teenagehood with her, so that is part of the reason why I've just gone out of my way for her to get whatever she wants for this one thing, which is her Matric dance, basically, because I think that honestly she deserves it. She's behaved very well. I'm happy with it. So yeah, so now we're gonna drive to Mdletshe, and then we're gonna drive to Ntando, and then we're gonna drive to Pietermaritzburg. I'm sure we'll get home very, very late. Yeah, you guys. Yeah, but that's part of being a mom. If you don't have kids yet, I'm not saying do not have kids, but I'm just saying that your life is easy right now without the kids. So make the right decision for yourself, okay? Make the right decision. Your life is very easy. Your life is very convenient. You can take care of yourself. You can save your money. Do you know how many cars I would own right now if I didn't have the kids? Do you know how many houses I would own? Yeah. Do you even know if I did not have kids? Do you know? So if you do not have kids yet, just think about that. Just buy a house, or buy a car. Or buy a motorbike or something. Every time you have a thought that you want to buy property, because really the child is going to cost you the same amount that property is going to cost you. Buy these and kids are expensive, but we love doing it anyway. So think about it. If you thought the decision had been made that you really want a child, just rethink it. Think about it a little bit, maybe one more year. Maybe enjoy your life just one more year. Anyway, you guys, yeah, we're at the garage getting something to drink, and then we are on our way. Salutho ngenxa yezindleko. You say I'm sorry. Good morning. Today is Wednesday on the 29th. It's the day of the Matric dance. Even though they don't even call it Matric anymore, we just can't get over the Matric dance thing. Okay, grade 12, whatever it is that it's called. and it's like 6:53. We're on our way to Apple's Porch because we have to go help Inkosazane get ready for the dance. You guys are not ready for that dress, eh? We did the hair, did the nails, did everything in solo. So today we're gonna go help her, take some photos, and and then come back, and then she can go and have some fun. Yo, Ngazela, I'm tired from yesterday, Ngazela, and we both have to go to work after. So, but yeah, the chronicles of motherhood. But I'm excited. I'm excited. You guys, the lady that made the dress made exactly what she wanted, because Lungi is very simple. She's like that person that would be like, no, I don't want any sparkles, anything. She wanted a simple black dress. But it's a beautiful, simple black dress. I can't wait for you guys to see it. I'm excited about it. I'm so excited. That's the Matric dance. We never had a Matric dance. Hey, what were our teachers thinking, eh? Not even doing a party for us. Hey, those teachers back there, I must find them. Bubbles. What were they thinking? I remember us doesn't celebrate it. No. That was a form of abuse. Yes, but we're on our way. I'll try and show you guys. But hopefully there won't be any traffic, anything, because the dress is here with us. I'm sure she's kind of panicking now, but no, we will be there on time. Alright, then we'll see you on the other side. Yabona nje kunenkungu, but hey, futhi ayikhombisi la kwicamera, yazi lana ivele kube clear. Kunenkungu kodwa ke iyaphenya kancane because sekusekuseni. Yeah. Ama-trucks ngapha. Kuneyimoba ngalana, like a lot of sugar cane fields. So driver nama-trucks a lot, and we all know the story with the trucks and accidents, especially around KZN recently. It's been hectic, so you always have to be careful. But yeah, you guys, we're excited about today, even though we're tired. But yeah, we'll show you the lady of the moment soon. Okay, alright then. So they can see and look forward to it. So now they only leave when the others are in class. I forgot to kind of primary. I think back on. I was just because of that, but because they chose not to do it. I think it's so sad, baby. Yeah. I don't know if bafunda but basar. I wish it was made in such a way that all of them can just go whether you're Naiman or not. now here, and here is a princess. Say hello, Princess Gala. But hey, we were here so early. Abantu, they're up and down. They're still doing their makeup or whatever. Abanye makeup, you don't know why they're not getting dressed. Aibo, they're up and down. Ngabe bavele bathi sibathathe and bring them back today, ready to go, because this thing of them getting ready here, up and down, makeup yakhe njani, umuhle, get dressed phela so that we can go to. Lungi, this is the another culprit. I don't know why she's not getting dressed.
I'm waiting for my friend.
Should have taken a day off, I guess. No, but now we're still going to work at this time. Hey, but where is my earring, Lungi? Later. Yes, I need bonus and go. I'm going to go one earring. I want to know what they're not even here, so we can just.
And the music.
My humble sister. So Ingane is always saying about not every teacher is going.
Matric.
Do they pay for the lunch? Did they pay for their lunch or they will eat?
We paid for them.
They should have taken the other kids that are not going. That couldn't pay. Because really you guys have paid, so they should have just covered the dinner for the other kids. Come home. Umoya wona iwona o irritate kakhulu because mawuthi phuma ngaphandle izinto ngame ezinyama sezi brown or orange. We can't miss the slits.
I gag phela sincane ngeke ngilokho ngisibheka.
Yes. It's a video. It's not. You look hot, man. Up here. Ooh, hi you guys. Uthi sanibona mazani nje. The face speed, honey. Hey, ooh, you look beautiful. Nani nibahle njalo. Cela ungishutha bandla. Oh no. Work, islithi, ngicela islithi. So now we're going back. We're actually back. We're actually in Pietermaritzburg now. I'm just gonna go to the office. Yo, the kids were looking so beautiful. They were so happy. But the even more amazing thing was how happy the rest of the kids that were not going to the dance, like the other grades, and even the grade 12 that were not going, whatever the reason is. But the other kids were so excited. It was so much fun to be there for them leaving. So they're going, I believe they're going to, it's a Matric lunch, so they're going to have a lunch somewhere, like a formal day, and then they're going to go change and be casual and do whatever. So yeah, it went well. Yeah, it's a great achievement for us as parents to get to that point, to be able to usher your child to 18 years of age in grade 12. Whatever the results will be at the end of the year, the fact that she made it this far, listen, we're good over here. We are about to move to the next stage of life, and I'm so excited about it. And I can't believe it. It's like she just came like yesterday and we're already here. So yes, but yeah, this is like the end of it. I hope they're going to have fun. They'll be sending us some photos while they're there for us to see what's happening. And then yeah, anyway, you guys, thank you for joining me on this vlog. Bye.